We're here today showing off the new T-Mac capabilities with the BMS control. So this is where we've pre-assembled the T-Macs into an all-encompassing panel to sell out to make things easier for the install on site. So we've got the added functionality of the new display screen on the front of it. So we've pre-assembled this panel with trunking, power supply, individual trips for the circuits, all labelled up and made easy for the installer. All of the connections have been made simple and placed at the top of the panel, so all of the field wiring just simply comes into the top. So for any installer once we're out there in the field, it's really easy for them to come along, connect into the top as per the drawing. So the drawings are specified from the original design. They provide us an Excel sheet that shows the points they want to connect to. We then give them back this panel with a drawing showing exactly which terminals they need to go into. Keeps it all nice and simple. All color-coded. They're identified on a label here on the door to show what those color codings represent to help cut down on any errors on site and with the install. And then once it's all in and checked, there's a commissioning sheet that we provide with it. They can sign off to say, yeah, we've tested all of these to this point. Very simple, just continuity tests, something very easy for any electrical installer. And then we can come and provide a full commissioning service and get this all set up and running.